Now the next challenge is adding given set of numbers using command line arguments. We have already seen command line arguments. I have shown you how to read the command line arguments. So it's a challenge using that same command line argument feature. So I'll explain what you have to do in this challenge. See, you have to write one program. Let us call the program name as sum, whatever the program name may be. Okay. So when you run the Java program, by saying Java sum, then you have to give some numbers. And the numbers can be of any data type, like integer or float or double. It can be of any type. So we assume the numbers are double so that it fits in all data types. If it is integer also, it can be taken as a double, right? If it is float also, it can be taken as a double. So assume that the numbers entered are double type. So numbers are like, say, 12, then space, no comma here, 15, then 16.92, 8.55, 3.7. Some numbers are given. So this program should find the sum of all these numbers. So this sum program should take all these numbers from command line and add them. So command line means when you pass all these, this will be going into this array, main string args, right? Args or arg, whatever the name you want, you can give it. It's a variable name, reference. So all these values will come into this one in the form of a string, but we have to treat them as double number, right? So how do you convert them into double? So for converting into double, there is a class called double in Java. There is a class and it is having a static method. That method is parse double. So this method you have to use and convert this into a double value. And that double value you can go on storing it in some variable s, like s is initially 0. Let us say s is initially 0. So s assign s plus, you can add these. So I'm not showing you the code. I'm just showing you the important things in this one. So string array, you have to take sum as 0 and go on adding the numbers into the sum. Now if by chance, if something is given like this, a k, suppose this is the next value I have given. This is not a number. No way we can convert into a double. Then what? So this parse double throws exception. It throws some exception. You will get an error. So you write on the program, right? Find the sum and print the sum value. That's what you have to do. Sum. Total is, you give a proper message. If at all such a number appears, then it throws the exception and you will see the exception on the screen. So what are exception, what to do when there is an exception and all, you will be learning later on. Just I am giving you one of the example where you may get some exception. So if you give proper numbers, then you will get the sum. If you give not a number, this is not a number, right? So then you will be getting some exception. So I guess you can write down this program. I have explained you what you have to do. Just take the numbers from command line argument, go on converting them into double and keep on adding them and display the result. That's it. That's what you have to do. And try giving these numbers and even give a non-number that is not a number, then you should get an exception. Write on the program, pause the video and write on the program. And if you want help, you can continue watching. I will be showing you the program. Let us write this program. I am going to write on the program. See, I have given the program name, that is class name, as mySum. This is mySum. Then inside this, I will read the command line arguments. So for that, I said we will take a double variable s and that we initialize it to 0. Then using a for loop or using a for each loop, anything you can take. Okay, let us take a for each loop and take a value x from args. Okay, then every value we will converting into double, then add it to sum assign sum plus. Now how to convert it? Double dot parse double. This is the method. So it will parse that double value and it will save it. That's it, loop is over. Then I will display the result, system.out.println sum is, display that sum. Now here system dot, yes, this is perfect. See, even you can write down the code here. Before adding, you can check whether it is the number or not. So using regular expression, you can check it also. See, you can check if x dot matches, if it is a number. When it is a number, it should have digits from 0 to 9, or even the dot is also allowed. So dot is also allowed means double backslash and dot, and this should be one or more. If this is matching, then only add it, otherwise don't add it. So you can write on the code like this also. You can check if it is a proper number, then only add it, otherwise don't add it. So I will remove this and just run this program and show you. So for this I have to run it from command line. I will simply compile this one. Okay, so I will say build project mysum. Project is build. So I am using iOS, I am not using Windows, so I will open terminal. Now there is a directory called NetBeans. I will enter into that, and inside NetBeans, if I check the directory, there are so many. So I have to enter mysum, yes, ls. I will check this. So I have to enter into build. I will get into build, then inside this ls, so I will get into classes, then ls, yes, here is the class. So actually this is a package name. If I check the directory, then mysum is our directory, package name. Then I should run it like this, java mysum.mysum. So I have to use the package name, then the class name for running it, because this NetBeans will generate a package for every project, right? So this mysum is inside mysum package. Then I will give the numbers 12, 13 and 14. So I got the sum as 39. See, 10, 20, 30, and then 2 plus 3, 5, then 4, 9. Yes, perfect. Then I will give more numbers, 14.5, then next is 15.7. Yes, I am getting perfect answer. Now I will again run it, then I will give AK. See, I got an exception. What is the exception? Number format exception. Yes, this parse double or parse int or parse float, there are methods like this. For every class there is a method, and they throw exception if the number is not in proper format. They will throw number format exception. Okay, let us change the program and come back again and run it. I said that we can check it. If this is not a number, we will not do anything. We will just skip it. We will not add it. It will be added only if it is a number. Let us try to rebuild this one. Okay, so clean and build, then go back to terminal. I came out from there, then again classes, so then again ls, yes, my sum is there. I'll go up arrow, AK I am giving, so still giving the result. Now again I will run it, and instead of 12 I will say apple, then number is 13, then 14, then 14.5, then 15.7 and AK. So one of the values is string, so it will ignore, because I have written a regular expression and said that only if it is in this decimal format, then use it, a numeric format, right? 0 to 9 as well as decimal is allowed, nothing else is allowed. So I gave it here, 0 to 9 as well as decimal is allowed. There should be one or more such digits, right? Such figures. So Apple is not a part of it and AK is not a part of it. So it is ignoring and adding 13, 14.5 and 15.7. So that's all. So you can try this on DOS prompt. I have shown it here in $prompt. You can check it on DOS prompt. Same thing you have to do if you are using NetBeans. Otherwise you can use Notepad and easily you can do it. In the beginning videos we have used Notepad. Same method you can follow. You can easily run it. So we are not using packages there. So it will be easy for you. So write down this program in some Notepad file and save it and compile and run it the way I have shown you here. So that's all in this video.